something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.
Recording in
I will
progress.
never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Morning, how's everyone doing? Oh man. Alright, looking at gold, looking for sales. So if we take a look at this low here, which is London low, no, that's in low. And we have this high that was previously turned out to be Asian high. So that is a major range, major low. Low failed to break above the highs, and now I'll be expecting this thing to come back to the range again. The 30 might hold. Because of the aggressive push, but that low did not break any high, so we could come back to this previous 1 hour demand. Oh, wait, the Zoom link is wrong? Sure. I don't think I sent it. Yeah. Yeah, it's already there, Pi. The same one.
Oh, what's good? What's good?
Good, Pi. I'm gonna need just one closure here. I'm gonna need this one closure here in order for me to use this. Doesn't close strongly and fine. Go back to the resistance. So I have the cool Joey. Hmm. Good morning, Antita.
Man, what a drop.
Yep.
Beautiful drop.
It might react here with the VWAP.
Good review.
Crazy. Oh man, I just got my buy runner out. Oh, fuck this.
Oh, you took the buys off London.
Yeah, I did. I took two buys. One fucked me. The other one,
Oh,
which was this one, that's just perfect. And then I
yeah.
closed a lot up here, put my stop loss there, and
Oh,
it's just literally just got me.
beautiful. Man, I pussied out. I think I closed out most of it like here.
Yeah, nice. It was. Oh man, I shouldn't have taken that for that first buy. Was too early. Too early. But it was
I
that
did take
price I
the.
mentioned yesterday.
Oh,
Or
where
which
was
one?
it? Oh, you mean like Asian session?
Yeah, no, it was like 36.44 or something like that. The first buy I tried to take off of that 1 hour demand we were talking about yesterday.
Oh, New York session.
Yeah, so I used that level for the London pre-London buy, and then it just rolled me. But then
Oh,
I managed to get back. I got back in when it found support.
yeah. Sorry about that. I sold the shit out of it.
Yeah, it's probably what was causing that to flush.
Yeah. I did take this sell though. This drop.
Ah, nice.
Morning, Joe. Hopefully, gold doesn't. This drop does not do what gold did here. Guys, you stayed here. That was it. So for that entry, established should just check in. Out.
I'm surprised that Edwin took a sell here, and I'm surprised it didn't get back to at least like there, the top of there.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Yeah.
Man, tell me about it. I was like so close. I thought she gonna flush through it, but didn't even tap no demander.
Unfortunately, it
It
did
ignored.
did tap VWAP.
Was not
Oh, really?
even though I was not expecting it to ignore this 4 hour demand out here. 4 hour demand there. Not expecting it. But it does make sense too, but I was just expecting a range. Buyers are gonna keep holding this low, then eventually just wanted the lower one on our demand. Even this range, 1 hour has that heavy structure, doesn't have structure swing. And, uh, and take it. Get this. Then we might reject these lows again.
Yeah. That's pretty much why I was focused on the sells for today. I don't expect it to break back towards the all-time highs like just like that.
Now, not with this enduring structures creating,
Yeah.
especially if you strong support here, where this previous breakout occurred. Oh, man, there's a lot of demand below 30. Going to be after we break 650. Like getting aggressive if it comes back up to tap the supply I have. I'll wait for the rejection candle first and I'll take it below. If I had caught this early, I would have taken this trade around here somewhere. Worst case, I'll even take it below this candle. That's the worst thing. Because it already had everything I want. Failure to break, push, 3+ candles, rejection again, came down twice to the resistance, kind of wicked the previous minor low, went up, we grabbed this previous high again, then we came down aggressively. Once we rejected this resistance again, I'm jumping in. I would expect it to break. When did you get in? I think I heard you say you already took it.
Yeah. Hold on. Sold it here. 99.5.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So I think it was like this candle flipping.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Pulls back, it might stop you out.
Oh no, I'm already all out.
Oh, okay. Not a fan of this 1 hour. But yeah, that is fine.
What did you buy off the VWAP?
Sorry, what was that?
Did you just buy?
No. I
think it's
exited at
WWAP.
VWAP.
Oh, sorry. It's talking about the sales. Sorry.
Yeah. I don't fuck with VWAP. It's like, gets the VWAP, I'm out.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
I'm kind of looking at it right now, and man, it looks like it might roll over right here. Like it might. It shouldn't, though. Should pull back.
You pull back from this. Especially with the way we pushed up during London session. Should be some buyers waiting around here, possibly.
Yeah.
But who knows?
Yep, who knows?
But yesterday Asia session, to be honest, I don't feel like I paid a lot of attention. Even though I was not expecting gold to break this low. You know how I always tell you guys that pretty much every time when I lose a trade, I always go back and look at what I did wrong. And I made one simple mistake, just one. And that's the 1 hour. That was the 1 hour. It's pretty much this resistance, this high right over here. This high right over here. That's the lower time frame minor resistance. The 1 hour did not close below. And then it freaking came down and that right there created another resistance. That was my confirmation to look for nothing but highs because we grabbed the high, sales. Grabbed the highs, we did not close below it. It's 5 minute closure above it, 2 to 3 5-minute candles is not plain closure. I didn't look at that. That was a single mistake I made. Instead, I paid attention to the fact that we did reject 4-hour demand and this low we created here did not close below it on the 4 hour. Yeah, right here. Not close below it on the 4 hour. And staying should push back up. Worst case in my range, but it's gonna be high. Simple mistakes like that. Okay, do this pull back.
Guess 2 days of breakout days.
Yeah, NYC in 7 minutes. So NYC opens, maybe they will give us the pullback we look for. As long as we not get to this low. With the way the 1 hour looks, even when we get to this low, it's going to be risky to take eyes off the because it could break it. But like that, we did not break the highs to the left, then there's a chance we could back up here from these lows and stay in this range. So we got 5 more minutes till YSC opens. So I would have preferred if gold started pulling back from, then we can possibly just take the NYSE open volume to the downside. So patience, down, and we will catch the buys. Holding sell from 1. Guessing you're talking about. Got 1 minute left for NYC open. What they do.
Damn, they rolled over already.
I definitely.
Yeah, it looked like it was gonna roll over. NYSE is open. Let's see.
To be honest, because it did not pull back before NYC opens, I want this to continue down. I want it to continue down and just I said it. Buyers waiting here. Anything that low? Any buyers?
Oh yeah, there's a nice consolidation of buyers there, but nothing like huge.
I'm gonna start targeting wings. They're gonna get there.
Fair enough.
I will move my stop. Like for example, let's say let's say I took this trade and it's my final GPU here, stop loss here, 20 and 60. That means I need this is going to be half. That's when I will move secure and move stops and find out. That's how I'm gonna do it. Kind of back tested. I'm not really done. So far, I like it. I execute that on the live feed. Find out. start journaling it.
Normally, I will only take trades where I get like about 2.5 to 3 R per trade, but my trades like they don't last that long, you know. Your trades will probably last a lot longer, so it might be a bit more mentally brutal.
That's why you don't look at it. You're trying to trade like that, man. You know, just gonna stress yourself out. Nothing. Take the trade and put your day.
Shit, this thing is selling off hard, eh?
Gotta be
Yeah.
careful with this low here, man. You're not behind.
You know,
Man,
I
today's
remember
a
for
good
London
update.
session, I was actually sorry.
No, I just says today's a breakout days.
Oh,
No freaking retest. Just keep going.
Pretty much the same thing it did with guys to the left.
Yeah, man, I was choosing to be more conservative today, and then this happens.
I was actually looking for London session open, which was like that candle to swipe out the lows and then take the buys once it goes back in, but never swiped it. So now I'm like, okay, are you gonna do it now and then come up, you know?
That would actually be nice. Clean range.
And it's coming down really fast, like hard. Like it's not coming down on thin volume. They're selling it.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's crazy. This week has been so tiring, man. Felt like it's so long.
I wish I knew how you felt. Actually, no, I don't wish I know how you felt.
Watch out for Karma Wall next week.
Man, are we expecting another bounce from here? That's the question.
Look at how fast this
see.
thing's dropping.
Hmm.
I would not like take a, like a super snap buy on this. Oh, big buyer stepping in.
Definitely. And don't think.
Well, they just went straight past that buyer like it was nothing.
She probably aiming for the wicks, like you said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably.
What's below here?
And I think it's like a decent hourly demand there as well. Even if she took we got these lows, still a valid demand.
I can't help but feel Pies trying to buy this right now.
Absolutely not. No. The way it's fallen down, I want to see a higher low first,
Yeah,
or
I'm too scared to buy this.
or at least support, or an iceberg that gets retested and held. Yeah, I can't. I've learnt my lesson. I've done that too many times, Will.
Yeah.
You know, I've done.
Let's let the buyers like build some kind of structure support. Okay, buyers.
Yeah. I need to see them hold and defend really before trying it.
Ooh. Stupid VWAP, I should have held that shit. I'm gonna look at 66.0 for potential buyer setting up. Wait, 36, 60.0. 60.0. Oh my god, it's melting so fast. Forget that shit. It's not even slowing down. It's accelerating. My goodness.
Hold this, yeah.
Huh? No, don't bounce now, you bastard. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I placed an order at 60.0 and it missed me by 5 pips. You bastard. Oh.
Food. But I'm not taking coffee.
Damn it, damn it, damn it. 5 pips away from my buy.
That's super annoying.
Yeah.
Did you see my picture from after FOMC? It must have missed
Oh.
my buy limit by a pip.
Wait, it missed it?
Yeah, it didn't trigger me. I placed it, came back.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. I thought you were in it. I'm like, okay, nice.
that sucked.
You gotta be joking me, Gold. You're gonna V-shape. You don't V-shape. Don't do it.
I still think it's going to. I still think it's going to, depending on how this 1 hour candle.
Damn, that's a big ass 1 hour candle. Holy shit.
But came down to aggressive, just like the way we were up aggressively. And we had this up here. Should get some, might not be this much, but should get something. Still. Else. Really? Voice is too low? YouTube, is my voice too low? How you listen? I'm asking for another opinion. Asking for someone else's. What about now? What about now, Kitty? Yes, Kitty, can you hear me? Really should be better now. Mic is too loud, let me know. I'll be right back. Gotta go to this room. 1 hour closes 4
4
minutes.
minutes.
1 hour is starting to pull back, come back down. Better now? Okay. And just better? Just say it's good now. I'm looking for good now. Turn it up a little. How about now? Oh, it might be too loud now. Hopefully it's not too loud. Oh, you need to hear one of the others speak.
Okay, how's his voice compared to mine now?
It's good now? Okay.
Okay. Edwin, what happened? Did Gideon take a trade? What's happening over there?
Oh, you mean New York?
Yeah,
Nah,
or
not yet.
London.
We're all waiting for this. Just
Oh,
aggressive buying, a retest, and then take it up
no.
if
What
she
about
want to
London?
give it. London, we took a clap. Basically, saw the same. I used like 40 pips and he used like 50 pips. I thought I could get away early, but he didn't. I missed it.
How far did it go in your favor?
Around like 30 pips.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need like another 10, and I saw like issue goes to the hourly demand, which is like 20 pips away. So I thought
Okay.
when she did this, I'm not even concerned. I thought she's just gonna retest it and then falls.
Looks like it though. Yeah, it does look like that.
Yeah, until she freaking bullish engulfed it and took it. But yeah.
Okay, so what I want to see right now is it to break to the high side a bit. So show some extension above here. Then I'm looking for it to pull back to around 70.5. So about 70.5, so that'd be about there. So give me a pullback like that.
Yeah, that would be nice. As long as she doesn't break this low again,
should have the setup,
we
but
should
need
be
it on the
good.
yeah, we have it on the
It
Also,
show
I'm a
like
psycho. Sorry, go ahead.
wait, you saying?
Oh, I was just gonna say I'm a psycho. I sold that candle and I TP'd.
Man, I can never do what you did. It's like if I want to sell, I want to sell it up there.
Yeah.
So close to the demand. Although she could probably weak fill it.
Which one?
Still. The wait.
Oh, the hourly, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I would
The
like
hourly
to.
and the 30 as well. It's like probably could weak fill it to the demand again if she gonna reject again or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you got that nice push up, pull back. Should be easy buys.
Yeah. Man, if this
I
trade
would
went
like
off,
I
I
would
think
like
I'm gonna take off
I would
tomorrow.
like this candle to close bullish though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice too. Yeah, depend on how this trade's gonna go. Might be my last trade of the week. If it's a clap,
What days?
I'm just so
Oh.
tired.
Man, why are you thinking of a clap already?
Man, I'm just so tired, King. Like
Mm,
after the Tuesday and Wednesday loss, like same setup, same losses. I'm just so tired mentally.
4 days in one live on YouTube. Monday to Friday now. Just New York session though. Oh, you said on YouTube, yeah.
What is this?
Uh, we close. I mean, if we do push up from this low, then worst case we should ignore this supply here
Go too far,
and
man.
get to this 30
Oh, you're
minute
muted.
supply. Oh, yes. So if we do push up from this low, go should at least get to this 30 minute supply and back to the resistance, because on the higher time frame, failing to close below, so that book that created this high. So absolutely range, failure to break high, failure to break major low. So this candle closed bullish. I would like to see a pullback now, go. Come on, man, you can't just go straight vertical. There you go. Let's keep coming down.
Come on, gold. Back down to 70s.
Oh, you're looking at 36.70.
Yeah, around there.
Just right up in the demand.
Okay. So 70 is POC for the New York and NYSC. No, come on, man. Don't you fucking pull back now, Jesus.
Alright. Trying to do it from this one.
Oh, God. Oh, shit.
Maybe section from and Come on. Maybe not now if it ever.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on. The 1 hour nature, I'm with.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see
It would be
me.
crazy.
Did what I had
Get
to
to
do
this
just to
clip and
feed me.
independent.
What was left over, I put towards my
Oh
dreaming.
my God.
The only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand.
Okay. Pull back there.
Takes accountability, they want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Oh man. Sometimes.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a
Coming down, bro.
slack off. make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me so
Righty.
much deeper.
I'm in the bus.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, you can build and build until you finally see.
We'll see what happens.
Damn, no no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts
Beautiful.
until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it
Nice.
much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel
Secure in 30.
like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with bread in front of
Come
me.
on, man. Don't you do it.
Psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me.
Good. Good.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be
Oh, what's that? That's like a 2R or something on your screen?
I've not set it yet. I'm trying to set this pending orders on the account.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas,
You're
like
muted.
fast. New shoes, new tracks, like
Oh,
who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Oh,
He's been
yeah.
wait.
taking.
So, yeah.
Okay. He's gonna take me out. I'll go a bit deeper. Okay. Alright, no problem. No problem.
If we get triggered here, I'm gonna hold this forever.
Sounds good. What's Ape Century? 75.0. Yeah, okay. Man, I thought I bought the lowest of the pullback. I got in at 9.1 and it went to 9.0. I was like, it's over. I'm gonna hold this forever. Market said no. Man, big buyer here. Or is that a big seller? Is that a big buyer or seller pie? Oh, buy's like, nope, not talking to you. Hmm. Man, there's a lot of big buyers and sellers down here. Jesus.
Order cancelled. Order working.
I think the order is working.
So,
Order working.
so quick. Guys, real quick. Back.
So much buying and selling down here. My goodness. Oh, okay, yeah. That's probably the plan. Speed the market up, go to the restroom.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
And so his journey begins. Where's this start? 97.4. 97.4.
Order filled.
Man, I heard order filled. That thing hasn't even gone 50% yet, and it's order filled. Abe's bailed. He's like, fuck it, I'm out. Trump speaking right now? Are you serious? That's crazy.
Order filled.
Order filled again. Abe's out. Abe's out, guys. He's jumping ship.
Oh, man. Trump is speaking right now. Oh,
That's what it said.
what is it? Yellow folder? And Forex Factory. I believe. Not bad. Oh, it's not.
Uh-oh. Fake news.
Oh, wait a minute. Is he in the UK right now?
In the deal that you're working on for the Chinese to sell TikTok to an American buyer,
Speaking.
are the Americans going to have to come up with their own algorithm, or are they going to continue to use the successful but addictive Chinese algorithm?
So what we're doing, and we're speaking to President Xi on Friday to see if we can finalize something on TikTok, because there is tremendous value, and I hate to give away value, but I like TikTok. It helped get me elected. In fact, Charlie said, "Sir, you ought to get on TikTok. You'd be great." I said, "Really? Tell me about TikTok." And we, as you know, we did unbelievably well with youth, like at a level that no Republican has ever even dreamt of. And in what, look, I think we won it for a lot of reasons, but that was a reason we won the election by such a big number. TikTok has tremendous value. The United States.
Got safety protocols? Grainger has the safety pros to call. Shop our vast inventory of safety products at Grainger.com. Call, click, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
China, but we are getting, the United States is getting a tremendous fee plus, I call it a fee plus, for just making the deal. And I don't want to throw that out the window. I can say this, that you'll have a lot of very unhappy youth. And I use TikTok very legitimately, very straight, just statements every day, little statements, short statements. Sir, make it short, please. And TikTok Jack, we call him. It was pretty good. Did a good job for me, I guess. But no, I'd rather reap the benefits. I mean, the kind of money we're talking about is very substantial. And it'll be owned by all American investors and, the best investors and the, very rich people and companies are going to be owning it. Very, very straight, very legitimate countries, companies, and really companies that love America. So they're going to be owning it. It's a big thing. And on a much bigger scale, and probably that's why we were able to get that, but on a much bigger scale, we're pretty close to a deal. We may do an extension with Chatroom, an extension based on the same terms that we have right now, which are pretty good terms.
For Prime Minister Starmer, if you feel so strongly about officially recognizing Palestine for statehood, why are you waiting for President Trump to leave the country? Why can't you just do it right now? And isn't there a risk in rewarding Hamas with that?
Well, let me be really clear about Hamas. They're a terrorist organization who can have no part in any future governance in Palestine. And what happened on October the 7th was the worst attack since the Holocaust. We have extended family in Israel. I understand firsthand the psychological impact that had across Israel. So I know exactly where I stand in relation to Hamas. Hamas, of course, don't want a two-state solution. They don't want peace. They don't want a ceasefire. So I'm very clear where I stand on Hamas. Okay. On the question of recognition, I made my position clear at the end of July as to the timing, which has got nothing to do with this state visit, and I've discussed it with the President, as you would expect amongst two leaders who respect each other and like each other and want to bring about a better solution in the best way that we can. Thank you so much. Can I go back then to Robert at ITV?
Robert Peston, ITV. Mr. President, you uniquely, you alone in the whole world, have the power to persuade Prime Minister Netanyahu to stop the demolition of Gaza City, to stop the starvation of Palestine, and to stop the killing of civilians.
Wait, is that your Prime Minister?
If not now, when will you exercise that power to tell him to stop?
Sure.
And then for both of you,
but you do understand about October 7th.
You do understand. So believe me, I understand.
One of the worst days in the history of humanity. What happened? I have seen the tapes. Babies that are sold and just chopped up to pieces. And you've seen the tapes, and I've seen the tapes. You're a professional, and so am I. And people forget about October 7th. I can't forget about it. So I want it to end, but I want the hostages back. I don't want the hostages used as human shields, which is what Hamas is threatening to do.
But as soon as they're back, that's the moment you will tell Netanyahu
well,
to stop.
It would certainly help, but I have to have the hostages back. And I don't want them back piecemeal, as I said before. I want them back.
And on a separate issue, free speech, your Vice President, Vance, said that free speech is under attack in the UK. Do you agree with him? And Prime Minister, we saw the dismissal of a very well-known chat show host in America last night, Mr. Kimmel. Is free speech more under attack in Britain or America?
Well, Jimmy Kimmel was fired because he had bad ratings more than anything else, and he said a horrible thing about a great gentleman known as Charlie Kirk. And Jimmy Kimmel is not a talented person. He had very bad ratings, and they should have fired him a long time ago. So, you can call that free speech or not. He was fired for lack of talent. Yeah, please, go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, firstly, on the question of Charlie Kirk, can I just express how shocking that is, I think, to everybody who believes in free speech and in democracy. It sent shockwaves through the world, and I know that he was a friend of the president, and I reached out straight away to the president because I understood how impactful it'd be on him and his family. And we all need to be absolutely clear about that. Whatever our political views, it is shocking and is to be condemned. On free speech, not much to add to the answer I gave earlier. This country's had free speech for a very, very long time. It is part of who we are as a country, and it is the values that we fought for. We fought for it during the Second World War alongside each other. So we need no reminding of the importance of free speech in this country. Thank you, Robert. And I go to Beth for the final question, please. Beth.
Thank you so much.
Sky.
Thank you, Beth Rigby, Sky News. Thank you, Prime Minister. If I could start with you. Prime Minister, President Trump has said he's ready to impose major sanctions on Russia if NATO countries stop purchasing Russian oil. He's got a point, hasn't he? Is that what you now believe is needed to bring Putin properly to the table? And what's your message to the President on US sanctions? And Mr. President, if I may, the King praised your personal commitment last night to finding solutions to the world's most intractable conflicts. You have invested much of your time and effort in Ukraine, but even as you seek to broker a deal, President Putin is escalating the war. He's firing drones into NATO airspace. You say he has let you down. Was it a mistake to invite him to Alaska? Do you regret it?
No.
And is it time to squeeze him, sir, and scare him and impose sanctions? And finally, if I may, the elephant in the room, Lord Mandelson, he is no longer the ambassador. Do you have some sympathy with him that he lost his job over historic links to Jeffrey Epstein? Thank you very much, sir.
I don't know. Actually, I had heard that, and I think maybe the Prime Minister would be better speaking of that. That was a choice that he made, and I don't know. What is your answer to that?
Well, I mean, it's very straightforward. Some information came to light last week, which wasn't available.
I am going to go sleep. Good luck on your trade, guys.
Very clear. On the question of the pressure on Putin and on Russia, which is obviously really important.
Is that your mind?
I think it is a challenge to Europe. There
That
are
your
other
mic?
European countries which are too reliant on energy from Russia. The UK actually obviously is almost
No, I'm not
got
saying
nothing at
anything
all.
other
We
than
need
what
to
I'm
bear down
saying.
work with our European counterparts
I guess
here.
it's mine.
There are one or two countries, I think, that do need to look again at,
All right.
energy.
Take care,
There's
guys.
no one silver bullet here. We do have to have a wider suite of sanctions, which we've put in place a number of times, working across Europe and with the United States. And of course, we must, and we are, making sure that Ukraine is in the strongest position now, because...
Right. It's 9:05. Well, I'm gonna just let this trade do what it do, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna head off myself, see how this trade goes. I appreciate everyone. So back again tomorrow, last day of the trading of this trading week. And I'll see you guys then. God bless. I'm out. Peace. I will see you guys in Asia tonight.